Hana was an artist who loved experimenting with bright colors. Her paintings were filled with vivid reds, sunny yellows, and tranquil blues. But as Hana looked around her city, she noticed the lack of color in everyday life. The buildings were dark gray, and people wore plain, muted clothes. She thought people needed an excuse to bring more color into their lives. Hana believes that surrounding ourselves with color lifts our mood and brightens our day. Hana hoped that one day people would wear their most vibrant colored clothes and fill their surroundings with lively hues. On March 21, 1966, the first International Color Day was declared. The idea spread, and International Color Day has been celebrated each year on March 21st. The day is meant to honor color and spread awareness of how it affects our lives. Color influences our emotions, behaviors, and choices, often without us realizing it. Surrounding ourselves with cheerful colors can boost our mood, creativity, and productivity. International Color Day is celebrated all over the world as people dress in their most vibrant colors. Cities and landmarks are lit up in dazzling shades. There are color walks, festivals, and events. The focus is embracing color through art, decor, fashion, food, and community activities. To join the celebration, wear your most brightly colored clothes, whether it's a sundress in coral, a shirt in indigo, or a dress in canary yellow. Add colorful accessories like hats, scarves, jewelry, or eyewear. Decorate your home or office space with vibrant flowers, pillows, artwork, or paint. Host a color party where guests wear outfits in different shades of one color like pink or green. Serve food and drinks that match the theme. Listen to music from artists matching your chosen color. You can also organize a color run or walk in your neighborhood where people dress in colors of the rainbow. Get creative by doing colorful crafts like painting, drawing, or collage. Bake cupcakes or cookies with colorful icing and decorations. Explore how different hues make you feel and the memories they evoke. Take photos of the colorful outfits and share with friends or on social media. International Color Day is a chance to celebrate the vitality and beauty that color adds to our world. When March 21st comes around, fill your day with your favorite bright and bold colors. Your mood and creativity will get a boost from all that wonderful hues. Hana's wishing of a more colorful world continues on this day as people everywhere embrace the joy of color. March 21st is International Color Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Color Day. Cheers!